Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, top of the day, cheers, and a hearty God bless you to you. It's bath time ritual, Sharia, with the week 3 gardening for self-care update. So here, I just got home from the hospital. My sister brought me home from the hospital, and I wanted to start off with the update with the sunflower. And I just did a huge harvest. So, if you were interested in seeing what's going on with this, please stay tuned. So, here we are with celery from the left, center, and right. So, as you can see, it's growing real nice, and you can see where we kind of harvested from. Here we have purple cobari. I took a bunch of this off. And like I said, I'm going to make some green juice this time. I've been having really nice salads with olives and cucumbers and cherry tomatoes and avocado. But yeah, we're going to do the purple cobari. There that is. And here is the green. I'm sorry, this is the, I smoothed them around. This is the lemon balm. The green bean was really growing out of control. Well, not out of control, just really growing. So I moved it. So I'm going to show you where I put it. But this is a lemon balm. I switched them out. So where the lemon balm used to be, if you remember that, the green bean is down there now. That is the lemon balm. And it is coming along very nicely. Bok choy next to the sunflower. And again, I moved this sunflower as well. I moved this up here. It was a little bit farther down. But yeah, the bok choy is there. Bok choy, bok choy, bok choy. Here we have green tatsoi. So yeah, I got a bunch of this off. That's a little blue dinosaur kale peeking over in. But yeah, that is the green tatsoi. We have spinach, these big spinach leaves. Spinach, 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 spinach. There is spinach, okay. And here we have basil. So this, I actually can cut some more off, believe it or not. My sister was so happy about this basil. She got quite a bit, but yeah, here's the basil. And then I came and got some, and it still looks like it could still be harvested some more. So I might go in and take, excuse my hand if it's shaking a little bit. This is my left hand that's giving me trouble. Take it off right there, the basil. But you can see those basil leaves are really nice and fragrant. And then down here, we have our dill. Dill. Going up the trellis there. Dill. Okay, back to the thyme. I love putting this thyme and the basil and the lemon balm in my water. So that's how I have been using my garden so far. I have been using it with infused water, really nice salads, and green juice. So thyme, there it is. Okay, you know that space is empty. I showed you the sunflower already. I even took some of the, this left hand. You can see I took some of the leaves off of the sunflower. And actually, look back here. There's another one coming. Can you see it right there? There's another one back there behind this big one. But yeah, I took some of the sunflower leaves off, and I'm going to put that in some green juice today. So there is my favorite flower of all time, sunflower. And it was so nice because when I came home from work on Tuesday, I had a really hard day, and this was open. And it was so exciting and relaxing to see it open for me after such a hard day. Yeah, so that's that. Here's a blue dinosaur kale. Kale lasanito. There it is. Believe it or not, I could probably harvest some more, but I harvested a lot off of here between me and my sister. So anyway, there that is. This is the red cherry tomato. As you can see, it is really coming along. And Kelby has increased the watering to 5 times a day. So it's still the 6 o'clock. Now it's 10 a.m., 2 p.m. I think it's 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., something like that. But it's 5 times a day. There is this is really coming along. It's a bunching onion down here. Bunching onion number 1. I kind of got it pushed back on a trellis. It seemed like the more I harvest, the more it does. So again, that's empty. And then we have our, I believe is green Salanova lettuce, greens from the side, center. Yeah. Green Salanova, very nice, fluffy. Reminds me a lot of butter lettuce. So yeah, I have been using it in salads, on tacos, anywhere there's lettuce involved. I've been using the greens. Red tatsui. Let's look at the vibrant color in that. It's just amazing to me. Watching all this from seed till now reminds me of life. We're born, we're so small and innocent, and then we grow and develop, and our gifts and talents and abilities come forth. And next thing you know, we're walking and doing things we never thought we would do. So there's that green bean. See it up against the trellis there. As you can see, it's already like starting to flower. And I have it held up with the plant belt there. So between the plant belt and the trellis, I'm hoping that it will be trained to go up and not out, because that's what it was doing. Bunching onion. So there that is. I got it kind of tied up with dental floss to kind of hold it up because it was really leaning over onto other things. So I think I got a dud, y'all, with this one. Yellow Swiss chard. Y'all let me know what you think. I don't think it should. I don't know. I'm not going to touch it, but it's looking to me like this might have been a dud here. Or something happened during the growth process and stunted its growth or something. I'm not sure, but there it is. I'm not going to touch it though. Oftentimes, that's like us in life. We're chugging along and then something happens to impact or traumatize and we get kind of stuck. So that's what this reminds me of. I'm not going to give up on it though. Keep praying. All right, so we have more spinach here. These big spinach leaves, and they are so yummy. All these greens are very, very yummy, fresh. Sorry, that's the other purple kabari trying to come over a little bit on this spinach, but there it is. Okay, and this is the cabbage. I also took some of these cabbage leaves off. Look at that. Yeah, cabbage. I was so concerned about my baby because this medical emergency happened during the time I was supposed to be topping off the water and putting in the weekly Hydro Boost and trimming the roots and all that. There she is. But because I had Kelby and I was able to look at her and make sure she was all right and all that. So, of course, as soon as I got home and rested, got rested up, I got up and did the 1 gallon of water, warm water, to half teaspoon of plant food. Put that in there to top off. And then I put in 2 teaspoons of Hydro Boost. Purple Kabari. So that's the fruit. They said let it get a 3 to 4 inches. Reminds me kind of like cabbage. Yes. Let me know how your plants are doing down below. More bok choy. From the left to the right. Yeah. So the prognosis I was given, I mean, they put me through everything. I had blood draws, I had EKGs, I had CAT scan, I had ultrasound on my neck. They wanted to look at the arteries in my neck. I had MRI. I had all of the things. And they determined and found that I had a mild stroke. That's what they're saying. I had a mild stroke on my right side. So that would explain why my left side is being impacted. But yeah, there's the bok choy. Very nice, colorful, looking beautiful. Then we have the sweet Thai basil. Look at all those leaves. Oh my goodness. Y'all remember who been following this journey, how I was so concerned because it was so small. But it is definitely flourishing now. And this is this side of the leaves. There you go. Yeah, so it's really coming along. Last but not least, the bull's blood. So I kind of pushed this one up against I said I wasn't going to touch it, but I think it done fell back off. Oh my God. I had pushed more of it up against the trellis, but it has kind of fell off. But yeah, that's where I think right there is where the beet is going to be. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. This is the bull's blood beet. And here are all the babies. Here they are. All right. Let me know how your plants are doing, whether you have outdoor, indoor. Go to the comments and let us know if you have any tips, tricks up your sleeve for any of the greens we have here. Please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And the next video is on the screen for you to watch. So we're going to start on the right side. And this is the cilantro. And again, this is after my sister took some and then I took some. Kelby also sent me a message saying that I had to harvest, trim anything that was 4 inches or larger from the outward to the inward, leaving 1/3. So there's more cilantro. It's coming along very nicely. Here's brine. Brine is still doing good. Middle, sides. There it is. It's very tasty. Brine. Okay, we have celery. Again, I just did a deep harvest. I'm going to show you what I got off of everything. But yeah, I woke up earlier this week and my left hand was weak. Okay, so this is what I harvested. All of this. So I think I'm going to do a smoothie and some green juice with this. Yummy.